I smell that fire sign, boy, Mr. Harry.
I don't put the red beans. So I'm going to put it up there now. Morning.
Morning, so you going?
I know for the 2 minutes out. But I get voice first. I know you're right around.
Why you bubbling there?
I'm cooking the rice. Rice, I'm steaming down the rice there normal. I don't strain rice and so I'm making a salad here. I'm doing a salad here. Well,
you don't allow me to see one of that, boy?
well, that's my blender. That's your pretty. That's my blender, sir. I don't have the electrical commodity, so I have the primitive type of stuff.
Are you watching humanity much?
Okay, orange?
Yeah.
Oh, good. But you know what to do? Pick a big one there and carry seed and set it.
And try to look
Yeah,
the same thing.
because yeah. Go
It
ahead.
might be the same thing, you know. We'll try it.
It will be. This is my blender here, you understand?
I love the fragrances you get in here, man. Wood fire, shadow benny, lime some Mr. Harry's garden.
Yes, to make the salad. And if you don't know this equipment here, this is for this purpose. Long time in every East Indian home had one of these. But now with the modern technology and like blenders and stuff and things, people don't use that. That is a grind masala, jeera.
And the name for that is called a sill. And a lure, huh? This is the sill.
Let me finish.
Very good. Which are better, Yeah.
Papa, walk by that pen and let go them two puppies somewhere. Then go create a noise. Fraction only time. Thank you. So these are the primitive things to the modern day equipment. You don't have current and stuff in the certain areas, so people still have these type of stuff. Just the puppies.
Yeah, Mr. Harry and Mr. Bat, I have an idea for you, know. All they had to open a tour company, boy. Let people come up here. Little groups are 4 to 8 people.
You know the old people have a talk, there's more in the motor than the person.
Yeah.
Right.
Way. And I look around and I say, I feel I have everything. But I didn't have everything.
You know they have a word term that
Hey.
the curiosity killed the cat, right? But satisfaction brought it back. So it have times it does make mistakes. Now you cannot remember everything. A man is not a computer, although your brain develop computers, right? Simple thing you just forget. I can go now to buy something in the grocery. I want to buy some sugar. When I leave out, I didn't buy the sugar. I buy other things, you know.
So you couldn't make any wine?
I made. I made one. Taste different taste. You know? I made a 5-finger recently there and I finished out here when I taste it. Right?
Yeah, man. Where say you going and chunky? So with no onion skin and all like that. That flavor in the pot.
No, I just burn them thing. I don't throw them thing outside. Garbage just go the bottle, paper thing. But like skins and stuff, that will go inside here. A little bit of oil. Right. I'm using pepper because I know you don't like peppers.
I love pepper.
Yeah, okay, well, okay.
I love pepper, brother.
I'm going to put a little bit on if I'm going to pick a cup.
You think it have any difference between a blender and what you'll get out of a mortar and pestle, or same result at the end of the day?
You might get a more refined product out of the blender. Refined. Let me get it. These are like cherry peppers. It has a flavor to it. It's not like burn. It's flavor of the pot now. What are we doing otherwise? Good?
Yeah, everything cool, man. Can't
What the kids
complain.
and them?
Kids going good, man.
Nice.
Thanks for asking.
Only madam.
Madam is great. Hey, look, I forget something else.
How your father?
He good, man. He good. The ghost Caura?
Yeah.
The ghost good. She takes some of your limes and she makes something what you call it, key lime pie or some kind of thing like that. Tastes nice, boy. So she say you go carry a piece of that for Mr. Harry. Guess what I forget?
It's not all that time for that.
So what is this you getting here? Like a stew red beans or?
Yeah, stew.
Stew red beans.
Yeah. But what you are basically doing?
Oh, you are going on the coconut milk?
Yeah, but natural things grated on the grater, right? And when that simmer down, you'll be alright. Your coconut milk. Like normally look like this one. This is our authentic thing too. Because I'm like, people know it's blending the coconut and think they're not grating anymore. You know? It's our old time stuff. Many of them older homes are this.
So we're getting a little simmer down.
Yeah, give me a little 10 minutes on top.
Now I reach a little late for your preparation. So what you have going on here? Some shadow benny.
Shadow benny, garlic, onion, pepper, and you know will be a little bit of oil to actually stew it. To burn the seasoning stuff then. With coconut milk.
Ital.
Yeah, pure ital.
Ital is vital.
Lucky like that. Pure coconut milk there with red bean peppers, shadow benny, fine thyme, garlic and onion. Well boy, you see what's going on here. If people interested, it's out on the video already that you want to come and go on the hiking trail, we'll be charging a little money. Like 100 per head and thing. If you want to stay short and you want to eat breakfast or lunch, you can end up with a 150. You know, like the package. And you can still be taking on a tour maybe to the waterfall over the border. Lunch.
You mean the border by Blanchisseuse where you're saying about there?
Yeah.
Right. So well, what we got to do, I guess, is work out some figures in terms, because you know you have people who like to walk with their own food.
Yes.
Right. So you could have a package for them. Then somebody come, whether Mr. Bat prepare breakfast for them, you prepare lunch for them. Well, we can have different packages offered to people.
If people decide to walk with their food and things, we can just take 100 to go over the trail, and you can have a little couple of. Your mother do that? Wonder what
Yes,
you know, so your mother do that. I want my suggestion. Okay. Yeah, if people just want to walk on the trail, we can accommodate them at a certain price.
Right. Well, we go work out them figures.
If you want to have breakfast and maybe lunch at our camp, you have two options. Either you want breakfast or lunch. If you want to walk with your breakfast, it's okay. If you want lunch prepared, it's okay too.
And then I have people who just want to come and sit down and enjoy the vibes too, you know.
Yeah.
It have people who want to walk to the waterfall. So there's something for everybody. But I could say something definitely, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
When I meet Mr. Bat somewhere about 6-7 months ago, early 2021, and since being exposed to up here, brother man, you see the peace that you just get when you come up here?
Yes.
I just look forward to it from that point of view.
Well,
So yeah.
Right now I have a foreign caller, he can't wait to come to Trinidad, him and his madam. They're a little age of planting, but they want to come here and spend a little 2-3 days. You know? Because they like they say the organic and naturalness now. A lot of people like that, you know. People might think about the money, sometimes I want to charge them 100 to go over the hill, they might find that it's like too much and thing, but they will enjoy the ambience, the nature, the birds, One of the clients asked me about if they can film birds and thing on the hike. I said yes. But are real birds and thing. And when you reach up home by me now, we can sit down and drink a couple drink of wine. We could cook and all up there too. Have everything there too. You know? It all depends on your preference. What you like and what you don't like, you know. That is the real thing here.
Yes, I smell like a chow.
Nice salad. Cucumbers, onions, shadow benny and peppers.
Yeah, that my wife kind of, you see what you're cooking there is my wife kind of food, though.
That's
that kind of veggies.
Well, I don't eat veggie, I just eat it. I don't really, most often thing I just eat is a little salt fish. I eat that for the past month. So. Right, I get salad there.
Mr. Bat, I'm feeling so bad, eh? I'm feeling so bad. I should not leave you with the camera. Or are you gonna go and get the ice?
Yeah. Remember something?
Take off your boots, Papa.
Yeah.
Come inside. Let's sit down a bit
I
now.
have to spend an hour with all you.
Lady soap.
I'll get them socks borrow away.
Right? Yeah.
But it's a fast pot this cooking at what about? The longest time was the preparation?
Yeah. I remember I had the beans out from last night soaking and I boiled it this morning. I skull it, you know. So it'll be easier to handle. Right? It does be easier to handle. This is like real original old time thing. Right? You don't have to be worried at all.
How you fair to have a cooking show? You gonna call that cooking show, eh?
I have no idea, you know. Okay, we could call it country flavor.
Country flavor?
Sure about them things. I don't really do them things too, you know. But if we
Country
have
flavor cooking with Mr. Harry and Mr. Bat.
if we have people coming, right, and they make a request, maybe I can accommodate them with certain things what they had desire from the country, like maybe cooking some cassava, some saltfish, and you know. They want to bring a fish, maybe later on, maybe we might be able to cook something for them. Okay.
You making kuchila too?
No, this is bought. My sister made that. She does sell that. I bought that from
Your sister does sell kuchila?
Yeah. Mr. Batsa?
Thank you.
Right.
You put so much of food for me, boy.
If I eat, you will not drink, do better, eat.
Right, boy.
You take nothing here for the morning. Mr. Lyndon, sir?
Thank you very much, Mr. Harry.
Right.
Country flavor, what cooking?
Yeah.
This is what you could have access to in Trinidad and Tobago.
In the country.
In the country. With Mr. Harry and Mr. Bat. I think it's a real good idea with pursuing. The piece that I find up here and the piece that people could find up here, well boy, it will be well worth it in the long run.
Okay.
Yes, Harry. Mr. Harry, thank you.
Eating lunch early in the morning.
And a heavy breakfast. Well, that's a heavy breakfast, but you have to go and sleep after this, you know.
You don't do it regular, but as a man always does this particular time of the day. Like my breakfast area.
You wait a few hours outside, you come back.
Yes. I don't do a little shift for the morning in the land. And then I decided, well, I come in and start to prepare this. I went out there with Mr. Bat to get a phone card because I had some people to call this morning and that was it. Right?
Yes, I thank you.
Enjoy, sit and enjoy the ital. Outside, boy. We'll get food. All the pot of food them hot cover down, you know. Enjoy the ambience of the country. Fresh breeze. Fresh ital. No sort of preservatives. Maybe putting a little wine in your system is good. It's a French habit. They say you eat food and you drink wine, it helps to digest the food properly, you know. I don't know. All I do is talk.
And eat a little planted.
Oh gosh. I wanted a boy to plant in too, you know, but I said that. But all that. Like, okay, with this red bean and rice on a Sunday and one piece of plantain is a major meal, you know.
Mr. Bat, how you going there, sir?
Okay.
You could finish that plate.
We are trying to do.
Come and spend a day with Mr. Harry and Mr. Bat. You will enjoy yourself. All they see enough videos for me to know up in Caura Valley, there's a real nice vibes up here. And if it's one of them Trinis who, whether you're based in the States, whether you're based locally, and you're looking for nice vibes, comfortable, peaceful vibes, and walking down the pathway to Mr. Harry's home right now, I'm listening to a stream bubbling in the background. When I was walking up, pot bubbling on top.
Cooking, tour guiding, chatting with people, preparing, you know, stuff. I could handle it. I could accommodate people in any form. But I wouldn't be into the alcohol, like rum thing and drinking thing. A little wine is okay, but I'm not into rum thing. I wouldn't like people to bring rum and thing and, you know, that does make people go contrary. Just talk foolishness and they lose respect. You understand? That's the only problem I might have with people.
Well, the beauty of it is your place, your tour, you set the rules.
The restriction is just about 3 I go have. No person in the place and thing, you can smoke and thing. Bro, bring no alcohol, rum and thing. You have to drink, we have wine. Or we can make juice, fresh orange juice, fresh lime juice. You know? You know what it is? Take a plate of food with a fresh cup of lime juice.
Oh gosh, boy.
That's real.
Let me go back and make a cook, boy.